Hello friends, today we are going to make our juices. Do you see them? Here we have tomato juice, we have strawberry juice, grape juice, apple juice and we have orange juice. Do you want to know how we made them? Okay, let's start making our juice. First of all, we will start with our tomato juice. Here I have a tomato and before cutting that, always remember to wash your fruits and vegetables. Here I am going to wash our tomato. I'm going to turn on the faucet and let's start washing our tomato. Here I'm washing our tomato and we'll turn off the faucet. And now we are going to cut the tomato and we will make our tomato juice. I am going to cut our tomato here. Get cut. Put that in our blender. Here, I'm going to open the lid and put our tomato in it. And let's start making the tomato juice. Our tomato juice is ready and let's put it in the bottle. Here. Our tomato juice is ready. We have put that in the bottle and now I'm going to put that on the side and we will start making another juice. Now we will start making an apple juice, but before cutting the apple and making the juice we are going to wash it. Let's turn on the faucet. Here our apple is completely washed and clean. And now we are going to cut it and make our apple juice. Okay. I'm gonna cut it now. Put that in our blender. And make our apple juice. Our apple juice is ready. Now let's put it in the bottle and make it ready to go. Here, it's all ready. Do you like it? I love it. Now I'm gonna put it here and we will start making our other juice. Here, I have our grape. We are going to make our grape juice now. Before that, we have to wash it. It's all nicely washed and clean. Let's cut it. Here, cut our grape. Put it in the blender. Let's start making our grape juice. Our grape juice is ready. Now we are going to put in the bottle. Here, it's all ready to drink. It looks good. Our next juice is strawberry juice. Let's wash it first. And now we're going to cut it and make our strawberry juice. Cut it here. Put it in the blender. Lid. And here you go. Our strawberry juice is ready. Let's put it in the bottle. Here, our strawberry juice is ready. Let's put it here with other juices. Our last juice is orange juice. Before cutting and making juice, we are going to wash our orange. Here, it's already washed, nice and clean. Now we're going to cut it. Here, I'm going to cut it. Put it in our blender. Put the lid on. And let's blend it. And here, our orange juice is ready. Do you like it? I love it. Here we have our all juices ready. have orange juice, strawberry, apple, grape, and tomato juice. Did you like the video? If you did like the video, please let me know and subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.